So how goes it? And well, we're gonna build the flame toys, not hot toys, flame toys. These are the models you put together, not like as in hot toys that come pre-assembled and look pretty awesome, like you can see and check out Determined Veteran, who does his reviews. Yeah, go check out his channel, link below. And these are the flame toys. These are the ones you build together, kind of like the Gundam models like you see me build on my channel. All right, let's rock and roll here. Here we go.
Sipping on straight glory.